Hey up everyone, you alright? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Southampton. Yes, I'm back in Southampton again. Today we're going cruising. We're about an hour and a half away from getting on the ship. So I thought I'd just have a look round Southampton Marina. Isn't it lovely here? I bet there's some money on these boats. Whew. So today we're going to northern Spain with Fred Olsen. 10 minutes down the road to get on the ship. And today I'm going to take you through the embarkation process with Fred Olsen. Stay tuned to see the sail away later on tonight. So if you want to come with me and see what Fred Olsen's like, come on, let's go. So if you're coming with Fred Olsen, you're going from either the Mayflower or the City terminals. We're parking at City Cruise today, but we're actually going from Mayflower, so we're going to have to get on a bus. And I think the City is gate number 8. Don't forget to put your paperwork in the window. You can see the ships on the left. We've got the Celebrity Apex. Yes, this is a road, dear. And you join the queue. So if you just come through Gate 8 or Dock Gate 8, you go up to the guy and I'm guessing he tells you where to go. ABP parking we're with this time, so we'll see where he takes us. So he's the guy that will tell you what to do, I hope. We've got a disabled one, is it?
Yeah, if you put your hazards on, they know where to send you for blue badge, okay?
All right.
Thank you.
Cheers, mate.
Road rage?
Road rage happening in Southampton. So we're in the ABP blue car park. We've got a blue badge.
Yeah, let me just get you told there. Yeah, if you pop your hazard lights on for me so they know you're going to the blue badge area. There. So you're going to do an immediate left. Where these ladies are, you're going to go down that very first
All right,
lane there.
thank you very much. So you put your hazards on if you've got a blue badge.
They help, you don't, and the porters help.
All right.
Yeah, go, thank you.
Get your name, please.
Next to the what, sorry?
Yeah, see where that monk collie is there, with them trolleys.
Yeah.
There. Park it over there.
Next one, all right. So we've parked up. We have to now go and get a bus to the other terminal because they've moved the ship. So the bus drops you off here, they take all your luggage and we're now going to check in. So to the check-in. So this is the check-in area where we've checked in, and now to security. Down the ramp to the security.
Yeah?
Yeah. Now we walk down the boarding corridor. There you can see the Borealis. Up the gangway we go. And you can see the ship through the window. And welcome to Borealis.
Okay, that way to 635.
Walk down the corridor and we're looking for number 2568. And there we have it. This is our home for the next 5 days. So that's us arrived to our room now. Generally, you actually park at the terminal that you're sailing from, but for some reason, they've moved the terminal we're sailing from, but we're coming back to the original terminal that we should have been going from. So we've parked this car at the City terminal, and that's where we're sailing back into in 5 days' time. So you don't usually get that bus. You just usually walk and you check in. We've arrived at his room now, so I'm going to do you a little room tour of a superior Oceanview cabin here on the Borealis. So let's go and have a look at this room. So we'll start on the back of the door like we always do. And there's your emergency information. It tells you your lifeboat assembly station as well. As you can see, ours is number 6. So as soon as you come in the door, you've got your light switches. On the left, you've got all this storage space. So on your first one, you've got open storage. Your second one, you've actually got 3 lots of hanging space. And your life jackets. You've got some more open storage. You've got your beach towels, a safe, which is big enough for a laptop, and some more life jackets. And then the best one, you've got your tea and your coffee. And you've got a fridge here that you can use, nice and cold. If we now turn round, we've got the bathroom. So we've got a walk-in shower. Towels there, toilet. And you've got a single sink with a mirror. That is actually quite a large bathroom for an outside cabin. Quite nice, that. So as we go into the main part of the room, we've got a sofa here that turns into a bed for your third person with a table. Some more light switches on the wall there. And there you've got your thermostatic temperature, turn it hotter and colder. And a light on the wall, some beautiful artwork. And then on this side, hi everyone, we have a desk or table or makeup room or whatever you want to call it. And then you've got 3 drawers here. That's where your hairdryer is. Yeah, they're quite deep drawers then, they'll be alright. Obviously your chair. They give you a bottle of water, but they don't. Because if you drink that water, it's £3. All your passenger information. So here you've got a UK plug, a European plug, and an 115 volt. So I take it that's an American plug. 2 USB sockets. That's it. And then up here, I don't know why it's up here, but you've also got another European. There's the door. This is actually an interconnecting room, so that's the door, which we won't be using, obviously. And then you've got, now we've had this set up as twin beds. Now, the only reason we've done this is because we've got a, I'm going to say a porthole window, but it's bigger than a porthole, a picture window. And if we'd have had the beds together, we wouldn't have been able to get to it. So we decided to just do them as 2 singles, basically. So yeah, you can have this as a double as well. And then the tables go either side of the bed. So you've got obviously 2 chest of drawers where you can put all your stuff. And then, like I said, we've got a picture window. So this is our view. We are actually on deck 2. And as you can see, quite high up. So we're not down at the sea level. So yeah, that's how our Fred Olsen do it. Your lower decks, which are 2 and 3, are actually quite high up. So it's all right. So yeah, it's a lovely room. I've missed some actually. You've actually got some hooks here, look, as well, to hang your coats. Yeah, so it's a lovely, decent sized room this for an outside. It's quite nice. There's you have actually got light switches as well here, at the side of your bed. Obviously they'd be in the right place if you were in a double. But yeah, like I was saying, it's a decent sized room this. I'm very impressed. We're just going to unpack and we'll be back with you for the sail away, so don't go anywhere.
Slight seas and a temperature of 16 degrees Celsius. For tomorrow at sea, we expect northerly winds force 4. That's a moderate breeze, 11 to 16 knots with partly cloudy skies and slight seas. And a temperature of 19 degrees Celsius. So it looks like it's going to be a nice and smooth crossing. That's going to Santander.
So just before we head out to watch the sail away here on the Borealis, we've just had an announcement from the captain who wants us to regularly wash our hands for 20 seconds while singing happy birthday. I think he thinks he's Boris Johnson. Right, it's nearly time for sail away here on the Borealis, so let's nip out to the promenade deck and I'll show you the sail away from Southampton. Come on. Are we ready, Karen?
We're ready.
Come on, let's go. So let's go out to the promenade deck. Let's sail away. Let's walk around the promenade deck. As you can see, they're ready to unhook the ship. He's waiting for the signal. There he is, he's going to release us now. And we can sail away. So off we go to the open viewing deck on the bow of the ship. So here we are on the bow of the ship. This ain't usually open, by the way, so we're privileged today. And we're going to sail down the Solent, out into the English Channel and down Bay of Biscay towards Santander. So just watch this sail away from Southampton. And we've done it again. We've got lovely weather for the sail away. Yeah, it's up there somewhere. As you can see, the MSC Virtuosa is still docked up. So she must be leaving a little bit later. Well, we've sailed out of some beautiful ports, haven't we, Karen, around the world?
Yeah.
What do you reckon to Southampton as a port to sail out of? Look.
Just look.
Look at this. How beautiful is that?
It's rubbish, pigeons, seagulls.
But hey, we're going to somewhere nicer, so we can live with that, can't we?
Pack your bags, let's sail away. Sunny skies, we're on our way. Feel the breeze, feel the sway. Good vibes coming every day. Blue waves calling out our name. Sunsets never look the same. Dance all night, play the game. Memories we will never tame. On a cruise life feels so bright. Under stars and moonlit nights. Laughing, love, everything's alright. Sail away in pure delight. Island stops, endless fun. Sand and sea under the sun. Drink in hand, we're just begun. Every moment our worries wave goodbye. Open hearts beneath the sky. Dreams unfold, don't wonder why.
So that's us sailed out of Southampton on our way to northern Spain. So Fred Olsen, what do I think to the embarkation? Do you know what? It was smooth, it was good, thumbs up Fred. Apart from we had to change terminals, which they sorted with a bus, it was all smooth, straight on the ship, the room was ready. We had lunch in the buffet and then a lovely sail away on time out to Southampton. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. If you haven't yet already, please do like and subscribe down below. It does really help the channel and I do really appreciate it. Make sure you watch the videos. I'll be fetching you some vlogs from northern Spain. So until the next one, I'll see you soon. Goodbye.